So I wanted to talk to you about some exciting opportunities we have for the network. We want to provide you with some more learning opportunities, some things that you can use in your individual shops, and maybe some network opportunities. So in my presentation, we're going to go over some of the things that we'll teach in these classes, the host site requirements, and how to schedule a class. We come to your location, so that helps you out a lot. So once you decide that you want to host a wrap class, you would choose one manufacturer per class. The fellows rep, the manufacturer rep would be present during the class. We would hire a professional installer, somebody who knows the material, knows the characteristics. It wouldn't be your fellows rep teaching the class. We would want to use somebody who has some industry experience and can really work with you on it. It's mostly hands-on. We're not going to have you sit in a classroom. We're not going to, talk about fellows. It's not going to be a commercial for us. We really want to focus on the learning and get your hands on the product and help you to understand all the tips and tricks on how to make it all work. So in each class, we're going to focus on all these different applications. So there'll be pre-application with your cleaning and prep. We're going to show you all the techniques to do pre-mask graphics, deep channels, rivet application, pre-stretch and shrink, post-heating, and blade angling. We're also going to discuss some post-application, stuff that you're going to want to pass on to your customers to help make a wrap last as long as it can. So, and the really good thing about it is that we're not charging you for these classes. So what we ask is that you provide the location, any printing that needs to be done, as well as a demo vehicle. So, and if you're not really into the vehicle wrap side of things, maybe you're more into the windows, walls, floors, we can do a class tailored to that.